What's going on, guys? Sinclair Photos here, and this morning we're checking out a local car meet called the Car Culture Car Meet. There's a bunch of cool stuff here already. I saw it as I was driving by, so let's head on into the show and see what's going on. Immediately got two R34 GTRs rolling through. You do not see that every day in the States at all. Followed by R32, and I think that's an R33. But sheesh, kicking off nicely. If GTRs aren't the thing for you, maybe special Lamborghini color Performantes are. This one on the right is Viola Parsife. I do not know what the one on the left is, but it is damn beautiful. I have not seen it in person yet, but Jesus. Good lordy.
I don't know what time they get there, but I don't think they...
Focus, please. Look how nice that is. Good lord.
What's up, bud?
This is a very nice wrap on this GT350.
I'm a Mustang.
He's gonna park right here. He's got an exhaust on this 570. All black. Damn. Good lord. It's beautiful. There he is! It's that boy Tony! Oh, it's good to see him, and he got a new exhaust. So here's a squad rolling in. Jesus. What's up, Ma? Got a 570. Don't curb your wheel. That's actually really clean. It's got lots of carbon fiber. Very nice.
Oh, you got turned away.
Never turn away, Tony.
Them boys.
Them boys.
It's pretty cool. It lets you in it too. It's nice.
Sounds so good. Tight squeeze. Good morning. How are you? Good. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. The iconic scissor door Huracan. I'm gonna follow this boy until he opens his door. This is it right here. Oh no, is this copyright I hear? Wait, what? No way. I've been bamboozled.
Because he can.
What a player. No. the same transmission that's in the Wyra. It's like the same engine and everything. Really? Yeah. No car meet would be complete without a little bit of yeehaw. And right here we have a lot of bit of yeehaw. We have the Hennessy 6x6 Velociraptor. I've seen this thing twice now, and I feel like it gets bigger every single time. Jesus. Then we got my neighbor's SLC Superlight and the red Digicamo wrap. Dig it. The Tramontana, which is getting a lot of attention right now. And some other cars down here we'll come check out. Some people here aren't fortunate enough to have roofs. Everyone's freaking out. Alright, checking out the Tramontana. You might realize there's no like regular axle. It has this thing called transaxle. These are the shocks right here, straight out of Formula One technology. And my boy Julian just sat in here, 6'4", fit into that little area. He said it was actually pretty roomy, but I think the back seat's a no-go. But look at the exhaust. It's got like cannons on the back. Not street legal here, but don't tell the cops. It's illegal in Europe. My neighbor's rolling out. Look at those back tires. Jesus. He sent it. steering wheel's on the wrong side.
Hey, you're not the owner.
Let's go, Mr. Davis! Yeehaw! It's the train Montana with the baby in the back.
You got a boy in the back seat?
No, big baby. Big boy.
Heck yeah, dude.
Holy. Oh my God. He's a Here's the poor boy.
That's like hold my beer. That's like the car world equivalent of hold my beer.
Hold my beer, yeah. Your thing, so.
Nah, you're good.
Go ahead.
I hope. Hell yeah! Very good.
Have a good day.
Send it for the boys.